Hi guys, my name is Laree, and in this video I am introducing to you a beginner sewing series. If you have been social distancing from your sewing machine because of feelings of fear or anxiety just around using it, well then stick around. These videos are going to help. Thanks for checking out another video. My name is Laree and I am the owner of Sew Into It. I teach kids and adults how to sew. So there are two things that I absolutely believe about sewing. One, there are some people whose fear and anxiety around using and operating a sewing machine is real. And oftentimes that fear and anxiety keeps them from ever learning how to sew. Number two, I believe there are many who stop sewing because of frustrations with their sewing machine. They hear a noise that they don't recognize, or they run into a problem with their machine and they don't know what to look for. They don't know how to go about fixing the problem, and they don't know if they should even go about fixing the problem. And when this happens, they end up packing up their sewing machine and putting it away, and they don't continue with learning. Frustration causes so many to put sewing to the side and not try again. So where are you? Are you afraid of using your sewing machine? Are you frustrated with your sewing machine? Or have you gotten to the place to where you are confident and you feel in control of your sewing machine? I really would love to know, so let me know down in the comments. So if you fall into the fearful or anxious category, that's totally okay. These next 4 videos are for you. Look, your machine is not smarter than you. You can get control of it, and I'm gonna show you how. So over the next 2 weeks, on Monday and Wednesday, I'm going to upload 2 videos per week. And we're gonna start with the basics, and we're gonna build your confidence as we go, little by little. As a matter of fact, these next 4 videos, they're actually a part of my beginner sewing lessons. This is actually what you can expect to learn from me in lesson 1. So, get your sewing machine, clear your space, wherever you're gonna set up shop and set up your sewing machine and all of that. Clear your space, get your sewing supplies, get your scrap pieces of fabric to test your stitches on, and come and learn with me. Build your confidence, knock out fear and anxiety, and start getting that good use out of that sewing machine that's taking up space on the shelf. So guys, if you don't have sewing supplies, or you're not really sure of the supplies that you should have when you're getting started, even if you've been sewing for a while, you can always check out my Etsy shop. I have sewing supplies there. These are my tried and true, my favorite supplies, like my little collection. Guys, I'm excited. I look forward to getting these videos to you. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you, and to hear how these videos will help you, because I am really sure that they're gonna be a big help. Alrighty guys, I will see you this upcoming Monday and Wednesday, and then the following Monday and Wednesday. Alright guys, have a good one, and I hope to sew with you soon. Bye!